Stop buying at the wrong time just because you're scared of missing out. Don't chase the bus, it already left. Smart investors wait for the next stop. Stick around and I'll show you how to catch the right one. Let me show you a simple 3-step process to figure out which bus to catch and when to hop on so you stop buying at the wrong time. Let's go. Step 1, we're using just two tools, the 10 and 20 EMA. The 10 is the blue line, the 20 is the red. If the 10 is above the 20, then that's a buy signal we're looking to trade up. If the 10 is below the 20, that's a sell signal we're looking to trade down. Simple. Step 2, time in the entry. Your bus stop is when the price respects the 10 and 20 EMA zone. That is your signal to get on. Step 3, choose your time frame. If you're a long-term investor, use the monthly bus stops. If you're a trader, use the daily bus stops. Want more clarity or examples? Drop a comment, follow for part 2, and let's stop trading with FOMO and start trading with confidence.